Good morning. My name is Benjamin Sanchez, and welcome to another edition, or actually the first edition, of Legal Grounds. As you know, when I did my videos before, I used the title Coffee with Law. But thanks to some ingenuity and some clever naming, we have now renamed my video series Legal Grounds. This is a daily video series where I will cover law, the practice of law, the business of law, but I'll also cover motivational topics, leadership, as well as the headlines of the day, including various news. Today is a special day, and this is why I wanted to come on and make this the first edition of the rebranded Legal Grounds. Today is Election Day, November 3rd, 2020. Some say this is the greatest election or the most important election in the history of the United States. Now, I'm not sure I agree with that because I do think that regardless of who wins, our democracy will survive. As I said in my description, vote or not to vote, that is certainly not the question. The question should not be whether or not you are asking yourself, should I vote? In our democracy, in order for our democracy to work, you need to vote. And I think the outpouring of early voting throughout the country is a testament to the fact that people realize that their vote matters, that in a democracy, their vote is the most important tool they have to affect the government and the society that they live in. Now, quite frankly, lawyers and other people can do things to help, but it is the government and those elected officials who will determine the laws by which we abide. The court can't do that. The courts can only interpret the laws. So it's important that we elect governmental leaders who will listen to us and who will do whatever it is that we want to do. In the end, I have no idea whether this election process will end tonight. As we know, there are ongoing court battles all throughout the country regarding early voting, drive-through voting, mail-in voting, and all those kinds of things. And quite frankly, if it's a close election tonight, the winner may not be pronounced for days or even weeks. Regardless of when the vote is tabulated and announced, the most important thing is that we get it right, is that we do it fairly and we get it right. So whether it's tonight or whether it's in a few weeks, I just hope and pray that the final numbers are an accurate reflection of the American will. So I encourage all of you to go out today and vote. Your vote matters. Your vote matters locally. Your vote matters in your state. And your vote matters nationally. In addition, because there are some ballots where we don't have straight ticket voting anymore, I'm encouraging all of you, especially in Texas, to vote all the way down the ballot. It is not just a matter of voting for president or your elected representatives or senators. You should also vote for your local officials, including judges. As a practicing litigator in front of judges throughout Harris County and the state, I'm a testament to the fact that judges matter. Who you choose as a local judge to hear your case in a dispute matters. I'm not here to tell you my particular political preferences, although many of you who know me know what they are. I'm simply telling you that your local judges matter, and I encourage you to finish the process and go all the way down the ballot and vote for every single last position. Now, I will be honest, there are some positions where I don't know either candidate. When that's the case, and it's bound to happen in every election, but when that's the case, for me personally, I do not vote if it's a non-party race. Now, if it's a party race, for example, a general election, and you have different candidates from different parties, if you're strong about a political party, then obviously you may want to vote for that particular candidate from the party that you like. But your vote matters, and the question is not whether you vote or don't vote. The question, and really the challenge, is to ensure that your vote is counted. And the only way your vote can count is if you actually go and make it. So I will come back tomorrow and we will see how this election day turned out. But I encourage all of you, if you have not voted, to go out and vote. May this be a great and smooth election. May we accept whatever outcome there is with peace and nonviolence. And may we be able to move our democracy forward and show the world that despite our differences, that we can ensure that the process that we have chosen for our country and as an example to the world is one that can be followed and accepted regardless of who the winners are. Again, this is Benjamin Sanchez. This is the first edition of the rebranded Legal Grounds. I will be coming back to you on a daily basis, and I look forward to speaking with you about law, legal topics, the business and practice of law, motivational and leadership topics, and news of the day and the headlines around the world. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.